Hello friends, this is Abhishek Bendre coming with the second tutorial of PHP. Today we're gonna use how we can manage the variables and branching as well as loopings in PHP. I hope you have watched my earlier videos in which we have seen that how we can configure the WAMP server on Windows PC. Okay, today we will see the declaration of variable, branching and looping. So start. First of all, I have a WAMP server in www folder and test. This is my PHP file. We will code in this file. Okay, first of all, I'll stop my internet information service if installed. Yes, stop it and then start WAMP server. Let's check whether it's working properly or not. I'm just giving a message. Echo hello world. Yes, server is started. Test hello world, it's working. Now first we will declare a variables and after that we will print that. Whenever you want to declare a variable of any data type, okay, here when we assign a value to a variable, that time it's automatically decides whether it's integer or a string. Okay, for example, $i is equals to 10. Okay, and now I'm printing that the value is okay. You cannot use a plus. Here is a dot operator to concat. Okay, and after that I will use $i semicolon. Now let's check. See, the value is 10. That means this is the integer value and this is the string value, and both are concat by the dot operator. Okay, now I'm just adding 10. Okay, it will provides 20, right? That means its additions is performed over here. Now this is the declarations of variable. Okay, and after that here we will use branching statements. I hope you all know about the branching statements. The branching statement includes the if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, nested if statement. Okay, we will see all the example of these statements. Now first I'm using a simple if statement. If $i is equals to 10. Okay, then I'll print the value is 10. Let's check what the answer is. The value is 10. That means the condition is true. Okay, now I'm changing the value. to 9. What happens? Nothing. Okay, so here our second statement, that is if else statement. Okay, echo the condition becomes false. That means whenever this condition becomes false, the else statement will be executed automatically. See, the condition become false. Okay, now the third is if else if statements. See, if $I double is equals to 9, then echo the value is 9. Okay, after that I'm adding one more condition, $I double is equals to 10. If 10, then this statement will be executed, this block will be executed, the value is 10. And if both conditions were false, then we will fire this statement. Both conditions are false. Okay, now the value is 9. I am commenting this code, otherwise this will also execute, that's why. Okay, I is equals to 9, that means the first statement will be executed, the value is 9, and I'm changing value 9 to 10. Then the second statement will be executed, the value is 10, and I'm incrementing value to 11. That means the both conditions will become false, and the third else part will automatically get executed. Okay, I hope you guys have understanding this, whatever I am explaining over here. Okay, yeah. After that, one more thing. See, I haven't used the curly brackets over here because I have only one statement. That's why I haven't used the curly brackets. Suppose I have a more than one statement block, then compulsory I have to use this curly brackets. For example, echo this is Abhishek. Okay, and the value is 9. See, two statements will be executed, but I want to break the statements, second statements, just bottom of the first statements. Okay, so I will add break statement. That means after the 9 there is a new line, right? That means you can integrate whatever HTML tag you want. For example, suppose I want it bold, I want this line in bold statement, so I am using the B tag. See, this is Abhishek, like that means it's coming to the bold tag. Okay, after that the nested if. Okay, nested if, whenever you want to check that the value, the first condition is true, and you want to check the other conditions, that times we have to use the nested branching statements. Okay, now suppose the I'm declaring another variable, that is a is equals to 10. Okay, now I want to check if $I double is equals to 9. If $I is equals to 9, then I have another condition, that is $A is greater than or equal to 10. Then I have to print a message, the I is 9 and A is greater than 10. Okay, otherwise if first condition get false, then the automatically else statement will be executed. Echo the I is not equal to 9. See what happens? The I is 9 and A is greater than 10. Okay, now I'll change the value of I, that means first conditions get false and our counter will execute the else statement. See, this is the I is not equal to 9, right? Now I will set I is equals to 9 but A is equals to also 9. That means the second condition get false. That means we don't have any output over here, because if this condition get false, the counter will directly come out to the end of this program, okay, because we don't have a else statement for this. If suppose I'm giving a else statement, echo the A is less than 10. Okay, now if this condition get false, then the else statement automatically get executed. That means we get a output the A is less than 10. Okay, I hope you guys have understand the simple if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and the most important, the nested statements, because whenever we do a big programmings we have to use this kind of statements. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, watch my next videos related to the looping statements, in which we can use for loop, do loop, while loop in PHP. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.